Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be making a frozen treat, banana ice cream, non-dairy ice cream. And this ice cream, guys, it's good for if you're on a diet, weight loss, and for your weight loss journey. If you're on a diet and you want to lose weight, but you don't want to have the dairy ice cream, this is perfect for you. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, these are the bananas I'm going to be using to make the banana ice cream. And I'm just showing you the preparation I make. After I peel these bananas and put them in the bag, I'm going to put them in the freezer to freeze overnight. So then you probably won't be seeing me preparing a day or two after. Okay, because these bananas need to be frozen in order to make the ice cream. I can't wait to show you how I make non-dairy banana ice cream. This type of ice cream you can eat when you're on a diet, guys, because it's not dairy, right? As you can see, the type of bananas I use, I didn't want them to get too ripe, right? If it's even a bit not as ripe as this, it's fine. But you don't want your bananas to be too ripe, a bit firm. And then you cut and put to freeze for a day or two to make ice cream. So there you go, guys. I'm going to be freezing these bananas. These bananas are going to be ice cream, turned into ice cream. I'm going to be placing the banana into my Vitamix. I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy way to make ice cream, low-fat ice cream, non-dairy ice cream. I'm going to be putting about 2 to 3 bananas. Bananas were freezing for 1 day. I don't want to make too much ice cream, so that is about 2 to 3 bananas. Okay guys, now it's time to make the ice cream. Guys, see the ice cream, guys? See guys, I turn it upside down. It's not falling out. Ice cream, quick and easy ice cream made in my Vitamix. So now put some in the cone and the cup. So guys, there's the ice cream. Rich and creamy banana ice cream. Frozen banana, guys. Frozen bananas. I showed you the frozen bananas earlier. See, guys? It is delicious and it's creamy. And this is perfect, guys, for it's perfect for weight loss. Okay, if you're on a diet and you have a Vitamix, there you go. You can even add strawberries too, but I like the banana. I can in another video I'll make the one with the strawberry. You guys, that's what's left. Maybe I should have made more to make this heaping to make my cup fuller, but I didn't want to make too much. Maybe I should have made more ice cream. Maybe I should have made more bananas, guys, too, but I didn't want to make too much so that it would go to waste. Okay, so there I have my banana ice cream. This ice cream is very tasteful, and I highly recommend this ice cream. See, look at it running. There's a point in my life where I only had this type of ice cream, the natural banana ice cream, when I was on a special diet. This is what you call nice cream. Nice cream. If you don't want to call it ice cream, it's nice cream because it's really good. And with just the banana alone, it tastes like dairy. It tastes like dairy, to be honest. There's nothing added. It's only the frozen banana. Guys, it's really good. I'm enjoying it. This is to die for. Guys, if I had cherries, I would put it on top. I can't stop eating. No, really, I can't stop eating. I can't stop eating, guys. No, this is addicting. I wish you were here to try it. It's really good. So tasteful. It's good. It's so good, guys. Guys, thanks for joining me in another video, and please give the video a thumbs up. For those of you that are not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. It's really good, guys.